everyone. In previous video, we studied about our distance formula, midpoint formula, and also centroid formula. In this video, we are going to take some examples based on section formula, midpoint formula, and centroid formula. Okay. Let's see our first example. If point T divides the segment AB, point T divides the segment AB, find A is 7, 4, B is -6, -5, and the ratio is 7 is to 2. Find the coordinates of T. We have to use here our section formula. Firstly, write down A -7, 4, that is x1, y1. Then point B is -6, -5, means x2, y2, and our section point T, let T be the x and y, and your ratio m/n is 7/2, or m/n is 7/2. Okay, write down here by using section formula. Making here two parts, one for x coordinate and another one for y coordinate. Formula for x coordinate is mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. Y my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Okay, put values. M is 7, x2 is -6 plus n is 2 into x1 is -7 upon 7 plus 2. Here 7 6 are 42, -42, then -14, 7 2 are 14 upon 9, it will -42 -14, addition is -56 upon 9, and 56 is divisible or not divisible by 9. This is not divisible by 9, therefore x as it is 56 upon 9. Here m is 7, y2 is -5 plus n is 2 and y1 is 4 upon m plus n. 7 5s are 35, but minus sign, plus 8 upon 9, -35 plus 8, subtraction is -27 upon 9, and it will -3, therefore y is -3. You have to write in word. Therefore coordinates of a point T are -15, 56 upon 9 and -3. Understood? Then next question is, if point P divides the line segment AB, find A is -6, 10, B is RS means coordinates not given. In the ratio 2:1, find the coordinates of B. Write down firstly given terms. A is minus 6, 10, that is your x1, y1. Then B R S means x2, y2. Then third is section point P, minus 4, 6, only x and y, and your m is to n is 2 is to 1. This is your given. Again make two parts right here by section formula. By section formula, x is mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n, y equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n, and put the values. X is now given minus 4, right here minus 4, equal to m is 2, x2 is r, x2 is r plus n means 1 into x1 is minus 6 upon m plus n, 2 plus 1, minus 4 into 3, and do it directly. Then 2r minus 6, then minus 12 plus 6 equal to 2r, minus 12 and plus 6, that is minus 6, 2r, r equal to minus 6 upon 2, and your r will minus 3, r will minus 3. Similarly find for s. Then y is given 6, m is a 2, y2 is your s, plus n is 1 and y1 is 10 upon 2 plus 1, 6 into 3, 2s plus 10, 6 into 3, 18, minus 10 equal to 2s. 18 minus 10, it is 8, equal to 2s, and your s will 8 upon 2, s is 4. S is 4, means coordinates of point this P is minus 3, 4. Understood? See, next example is find the coordinates of point P. If P is the midpoint of AB, P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, A is minus 4, 2 and B is 6, 2, x1, y1, x2, y2, and this is xy, midpoint. Now tell me, what is the ratio of sections? Sections ratio for midpoint is always 1:1, means m equal to n. Okay, then only write here A equal to minus 4, otherwise write here only minus 4, 2 and 6, 2. Okay, and by using midpoint formula, what is our midpoint formula? Midpoint formula is similar to the section formula. X is m x तो डायरेक्टली हम मिड पॉइंट फॉर्मूला ही लिखते हैं। x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y equal to y1 plus y2 upon, okay, x1 is -4 plus x2 is 6 upon 2 means x equal to 2 upon 2, x will 1. Here y, for y1 is 2 and y2 is also 2 upon 2, y equal to 4 upon 2, y equal to 2 means x is 1 and y is 2 for midpoint. Okay, then next question is A is a 15.5, B is 9.20 and A, P, B are in between us. Find the ratio in which point P 11.15 divides the segment. Means two endpoints are given, then coordinates of section point are also given and you have to find ratio of division means m is to n. Write down firstly given things: A 15.5, x1, y1, then B 9.20, x2, y2, then P is 11.15 means x and y, and you have to find m upon n. Write down here by using section formula. Firstly, write formula for x coordinate and y coordinate. mx2 plus mx1 upon m plus n. Here my2 plus my1 upon m plus n. Then put the values. X is given, x is 11. Then m, we have to find that m. Then x2 is also given 20 plus n not given. Then x1 is 15 upon m plus n. Okay, then 11 equal to 20m plus 15n upon m plus n. Do cross multiplication. 11 m into m plus n, 20m plus 15n. 11m plus 11n equal to 20m plus 15n. Here is no need to solve by two coordinates or two formulas. You can use any one of x or y. Okay, then take all terms of n at one side and terms of n at another side. 11m minus 20m, see, then equal to 15m minus 11n. See here 11 minus 20, 15 minus 11. Here minus 9m equal to 4n. We have to find m upon n means this, then 4 upon minus 9 or 4 upon 9. 15n and 4 x2 is 9. x2 is 9, sorry. Here also 9. Therefore 11 minus, that is 2n, and it will 2, and your ratio will become 2 upon n. One mistake was there. Value of x2 is 9 and y2 is 20. x2 is 9, therefore m into 9. Understood? In your textbook also one example is there on page number 144. You have to write all these 4 examples and that one example which is given on page number 114. That also very easy. This is trisection example. Then solve practice set 5.2 and problem set 5. Your 5.3 exercise or 5.3 practice set is reduced for this year. So only 2 practice sets are here and 1 problem set. So solve problem set 5.2 and practice set 5.2 and problem set 5. Thank you.